Hello everyone, this is Dr. T. Janishba from the Department of Chemistry, and today we are going to see about some of the concepts in water resources which comes under the Environmental Science and Engineering for Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So now we should know what is meant by what are the water resources. Water resources refers to all sources of water useful for human as well as for environmental needs. It includes the surface waters like rivers and lakes, and the groundwater and the atmospheric water. So what are the sources means? You can say the surface water, which includes rivers, lakes, ponds, etc., and the groundwater, which is stored underground in aquifers, and rainwater, which comes through precipitation, and the desalinated water, which is obtained from seawater. And you all know the important uses of water. It is for human needs, it is for domestic purposes and economic development, for power generation, manufacturing and transportation, and also for ecosystem support. It is used to maintain the biodiversity and natural habitats, and also it has recreational values in religious practices, in tourism, and also leisure. And water, let us see about the global water distribution. We have 9.7 percentage of water in oceans, and 3 percentage is fresh water. And the 70% among in the fresh water, 70 percentage of the water is stored as glaciers, and there's 30% in groundwater. Less than 1 percentage is accessible for surface water for drinking purposes. Now, what are the challenges if you have a wide view? We have scarcity because of the uneven distribution of an increasing demand of water, and then the pollution due to the dumping of the industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and also domestic sewage, and the climatic change which alters the water cycle, causing drought and floods. And also we are depleting the groundwater and rivers by overusage. Next one is what are the roles of individuals to conserve the water resources. Is we have to reduce the wastage of water. We have to create awareness among the community on water conservation, and also we have to participate in the initiatives for sustainable water use. And now let us see about the use and overutilization of surface water and groundwater. So we all know already. I have told you what are the uses of surface water and groundwater. Now what are the causes for overutilization of groundwater? Is excessive extraction, and we are diverting the agriculture. The water is being excessively used for agriculture industries, and construction of dams and reservoirs, reducing the downstream flow, and also the consequences is drying of rivers and lakes, and degraded ecosystems, and loss of biodiversity. So increased risk of conflicts over shared water bodies. Now, what about the overutilization of groundwater? Reasons for overuses: increased demand, insufficient surface water availability, and dependence on bore wells and tube wells. And what are the consequences? Depletion of the aquifers, land subsidence, salt water intrusion, and reduced water quality. Now, what are the causes of overutilization? As we all know, it is the increase in population growth that has led to the more demand, and then inefficient practices, and also urbanization, lack of regulations. These are some of the reasons. And what are the solutions for overutilization? We have to adopt efficient irrigation techniques. We have to go for rainwater harvesting, and reuse and recycling must be practiced. We have to go for improved practices to regulate the water extraction and enforce water sharing treaties, and also there should be community participation in water conservation. And what are the sustainable practices? This aims to prevent scarcity. It supports the ecosystems, and also improves the quality. So from this you can understand about a little bit about your the water resources and the causes and effects of overutilization of water resources. Thank you for watching.